Good afternoon, everyone. I'm SamJoe404, and this is my desktop. This is Stream 11, Attempt 4, or the second attempt at 11.1. I messed up once again. I'll try not to mess up anymore. Alright, now, where we left off from 11.0, we went to the slideshow, messed around with some stuff, and yeah. So, next up, we went to contrast themes as well in the first attempt, but we're not going to do that right away now. Settings is freaking out. Colors. You got your standard stuff. You got the light theme, in which this is going to struggle at changing. At least the settings app is. As you can see, and now it's unresponsive. Close. That's why I pinned settings to the start menu now. Doesn't seem to be very much stuff here. Personalization. Why is there no transparency? Or at least in this one. Oh, there is a very small bit of transparency. Then there's also the custom, where you can change the app mode and Windows mode, OG Windows mode here. See, as you can see, Windows is in dark mode, but the File Explorer Windows and other stuff is in light mode. Just like Windows 10 as it used to be. How does this keep happening? The failed attempts? Because I keep making mistakes. And oh, settings crashed again. Anyways. Alright, now let's go back to dark mode. Fully dark mode. Oh boy. They really need to fix up the settings app. Might be in for a trip for the feedback hub pretty soon. I already had to submit 3 feedback items because, for one, the brightness wouldn't work in Windows 10 build 21390, although it seems to work now. At least the brightness keys didn't seem to work. I did another one where whenever you log in, oh hey look, it did it again. Yay! Anyways. The second time was whenever you log in, it turns up to 100% after the first time after startup. And then the third time, I don't remember. Oh yeah, hibernation was broken. After 10 minutes, the computer would restart and my previously opened apps would not be restored. Now back to Windows 11. Transparency effects, you can turn those off if you want to. If you want to go full Windows 10 mode. And settings is hung again. Personalization, colors, on. We got transparency again. Accent color is manual, not automatic. Close settings. Get back to it. Alright, personalization. Back to colors. We got recent colors. We can change the color of our stuff. This is Windows 95 style. Well, the rest of the operating system seems to have changed, but not settings. Settings keeps freezing. So we get to witness one of Windows 10's non-final problems on stream. Ain't that something? So we got colors again. We need to finish exploring it. We got a new menu apparently. We can change it from manual to automatic. I think what automatic does is that it takes the predominant color in your background, in your desktop background, and makes it the accent color. Is settings actually going to work successfully? I doubt it. Anyways, as you can see, the stuff has changed to dark blue. The stuff has changed to dark blue. This is like very light dark blue, unsaturated dark blue. So yeah, that's basically take something from the. That's basically pick a color from my desktop background, rebrand it as automatic. And of course, settings is going to crash again. So we're going to exit, reopen. I wonder what the right click menu for settings looks like. Oh, it's not Mac OS and it doesn't show you all the settings. Anyways. Right, we got custom colors. We can change whatever color we want here, even down to the hex code. Wait, this isn't Windows 95 color. Windows 95 color is that. Done. Alright, it didn't crash this time. It did not crash. We got show accent color on title bars and window borders. Turning that off, and we get just that. We don't have any colors. Although in dark mode it seems to be working pretty well. I do not like how it makes Windows looks in light mode, especially like Windows 10. So we're going to re-enable it. Show accent color on start and taskbar. And we get a little tinted thing here. So let's go into... Oh man, settings has crashed again. Or... Yep, it sure is. We got a little color tint here. You can't really tell that it's transparency stuff again. Kind of looks very similar to Windows 10's acrylic theme. Alright, settings. Personalization. Colors. Hopefully this will be the last time settings crashes. Personalization. I think we're done with colors now. Yeah, we're done with colors, so let's go and go to themes. We can still change our background here. We can change our color. We can still change the sounds from here. That's our Windows XP. Let's see what the new default sounds are. No closed program stuff. we're going to do it for every sound here. And there's Visual Studio, there's File Explorer, and there's that.
I found these results.
Oh my goodness. My phone is making noise when it's not supposed to. Hang on. Okay, so that's a thing. My phone failed to lock while it was in my pocket, so it opened up a bunch of stuff. Happens sometimes. Alright. Well, that's the Windows sounds. Back to Windows XP. This is my render complete sound. Now we got our mouse cursor. We can still customize it in here. We got 3. This is my current one, 3D green. And there's also Windows 98. I don't think you can see the animated cursor, can you? Oh, you can. Alright. At least there you can. We're gonna stick with 3D green cursor for now. Also, the controls thing still works. We got themes here, and oh man, that means that this is gonna make settings crash again. Oh man. Well, we may as well save this theme. Windows 95 setup. There's that. Oh man, what now? Alright. Let's try to change themes again. Glowing exclamation point. This is a light theme that uses another one of my custom stuff. Custom things. Custom backgrounds. And now settings is... Oh wait. Settings actually recovered and actually didn't crash. Yay! Alright. What's going on with this word? Alright. Next up, we're going to try to... Let's see. I did install Windows XP Luna. Let's see if it works. Still works. It doesn't work on an Edge. Let's see if it works in the... Oh no. Settings is hung again. Alright, let's... Oh, we got it minimizing. Yeah, I'm gonna need to reinstall UX Theme Patcher again. Probably to be expected, and close, reopen. So yeah. Oh, and speaking of reinstalling stuff, I'm gonna have to reinstall the text-to-speech voices that I use, namely Anna and David. And speaking of text-to-speech voices, let's see if they got any new ones. Whenever we get around to that, that is. Windows 95 setup again. Right now we're going through the settings app. Okay, it's not just settings not changing very fast, but it's also these. Here we go. One is done. Hopefully this will be done. Hello. Back in Windows 98, whenever you change the color change was instant. It wasn't like this. And it should be just a simple color change in Windows Explorer, but it's not, apparently. I could probably replicate dark mode in pretty easily in Windows 98. Alright. Oh, great, I lost my voice. Personalization. I think we're done with themes. How's Windows 11 working so far? It's working fine. Aside from the settings app keep crashing every time I use some stuff. Wait, use custom theme. What? 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 Well, we got the use custom theme here. That's promising. That might indicate that we can go retro. So that's really exciting. I'm not exactly sure though. It might be a different kind of custom. Might not be related to that. Woohoo! Let's check and see what we got here. It's just the same stuff. Back. What is this? I don't know. Windows is just... The themes is just messing up, I guess. Alright, I think we're done with themes. Like I said before again. And... Oh, great. Now File Explorer itself is starting to struggle. Woohoo! We got that much. We don't got the taskbar changed over though. So that's a thing. We're gonna go back. Colors. Change to dark. Custom. Windows. Do light. Taskbar is not changing properly, so that's a thing. That might be a product. That might actually be a product of that might be a product of the custom theme. So that we might be in for more trouble. Oh, great. Settings. Let's see the start menu, see if it works. Not instantly, but it works. Check the system files. Look in PowerShell, and I'm not gonna do the Yelp Android app, so change it to dark. See. Oh, there's the taskbar. There we go. Now it's fixed. Okay. So far, it only seems like they need to work on the settings app. Are we on time? "20 minutes, apparently. Personalization. Alright, now to go to the lock screen. We're fine. Oh, hey, we got screensaver. We can personalize the lock screen if we want. That's not going to show up though. We got get fun facts, tips, and more from Windows and Cortana. Apparently, Cortana's still there. Lock screen status. Show the lock screen background picture on the sign in. What that basically is that it changes to a different picture whenever you like scroll up, like it did in the original Windows 10. So that's what this setting means whenever it's off. We got screen timeout. Oh, it changed to battery, power and battery. Oh, I didn't go through all the system stuff. Oops. Alright. So we got screen and sleep here. On battery tower, do all that stuff. I'm gonna put never there. And this can remain like as is right now. So yeah. We got this battery saver. I have it on always because why not save battery whenever you're doing stuff, whenever you got it with you and stuff. We got lower screen brightness, which lowers it by some amount. Battery usage. I don't know what these icons stand for, so battery saver on, charging. So that's something. Last 24 hours. This last 7 days. It's retrieving them. Oh, there's the graph. That's cool. Here's a pro tip. To extend the life of your battery, I recommend setting, if you got the ability to change when your battery stops charging automatically, as in Dell Power settings, you can change it to stop charging at like 80% or 65%. Right now I'm at 65% whenever it stops charging. So, go back. So we got, before we go back to system, we're going to go to personalization. We got the touch keyboard. Oh, that's cool. We can change it from the default to other stuff. Indigo Breeze, Silky Dawn, Lilac River, Tangerine Tide, Color Pop, Light, Poppy Red, Ice Blue, Dark, Black and White, Platinum, Pink Blue, Green Purple, Pink Orange, Blue Green, and Custom Theme. Sounds interesting. Key background, on or off, apparently. Oh, that's interesting. Key text size, we can change it there. View your changes. I guess there's the touch keyboard, I guess. Oh yeah, we're gonna get new start button, Windows buttons whenever the time comes around. We got typing settings, and that's it for touch keyboard. We got start. Let's see how far we can customize the start menu now. Oh, the start menu is not transparent. Oh, it is transparent. It's just that the settings app is blocking it from being transparent, I assume. Yeah. Settings, here we go. Recently added apps, most used apps. That's in the all apps list apparently. Show recently opened items and start jump lists in File Explorer. What happens if that's off? Nothing. Okay. These folders appear on start next to the power button. I'm gonna delete that kind of screen there. Okay, never mind. Looks like it's safe. Alright, so folders. Apparently everything is off here. Let's see what would happen if I put some stuff on it. Now we got more icons over here. I got pinged. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we got that. I'm not gonna check that. Right, so we got all this stuff here, so that's gonna be useful, I suppose. So yeah. Right, we got start. Let's see the taskbar. See what we can personalize there. As you can see, I disabled the Windows 10 icons there. We have search, we have task view, and we have widgets. Widgets brings up that weather stuff and also the news articles, which is exactly why I'm not going to touch it. The news article stuff. We got search, task view. Hold up. Anyways, like I was saying, we got search here. We can type to search. We got task view, which is basically Windows, and tab. See, Windows tab brings up the same thing. So it turns out I don't need this icon. And typing and then typing more stuff brings up the search menu, so I don't need that either. Hold up, let me test it out right now. So yeah, let me demonstrate. MSSEAS. Yeah, it opens up the search menu whenever you go to the start menu and type in something. So yeah, then we got the pen menu, I guess, and the touch keyboard there. I have those disabled. Taskbar corner overflow, which shows a bunch of stuff here. Well, at least it's supposed to. We can automatically hide the taskbar like that. Have it come back up like that, like in the old days. We can, thankfully, put the icons over here like in the older days. So that's cool. I'm gonna keep them in the center though, because NGL, I love the center alignment. I mean, I like it. So we got show badges. What that does is that it takes the, see this? It says I got one ping here. And toggling this, it removes that. The badges also show on the mail app and other stuff. Show my taskbar on all displays. This is actually disabled by default, so allow me to go over to the second screen. Hold on. Allow me to go over to the second screen. Go to the other screen, and then as you can see, there's no taskbar. Show my taskbar on all displays. And there's the taskbar over here. But as you can see, there is literally nothing on it. and it just does show the desktop. And that's it. So the second taskbar is pretty useless. At least to my knowledge it is. So we got that. Next of all, we got... When using multiple displays, show my taskbar apps on all taskbars. Main taskbar and taskbar where window is open. Taskbar where window is open. There's still nothing on the second taskbar, so I guess it's unfinished functionality that they haven't added in yet. So that's something I didn't expect. And then this is like the arrow peak option. You can go to the bottom right corner and do the peak there. Hovering over it doesn't seem to do anything. Do that. Go back. I have that on because it's useful sometimes. Now we got fonts, which I expect will be the same. Yep, this is the exact same as in Windows 10. You can drag and drop to install, so that's pretty cool. And we got device usage. I'm going to BSOD here. Oh, never mind. It wasn't what I thought it was, so device usage. We got gaming, family, creativity. Hashtag unleash your creativity. School, entertainment, business, and privacy resources for all that stuff. I'm not going to get into that. And that's it for the personalization section. Let's go back to system, see what else we got here. We already went through display, so let's go to sound. We got speakers, Realtek audio. Oh, that's cool. We can change the overall volume. We can rec its balance if we want to. Like we can have it. Still has the ding thing there. We can like rec it so that it only plays in the right channel and stuff. But I don't want to do that. I'd rather have it uniform. There we go. Enhance audio. Automatically improve sound quality. Turn off if you experience issues. Okay. 24-bit studio quality. Allow apps in Windows to use this device for our audio. So we can disable that if we want to. What's this? That's cool. Choose an immersive audio experience that simulates a realistic environment. 3D spatial sound. Windows Sonic for headphones. Okay. Not applicable right now because I don't have any headphones plugged in. There we got sound again. Properties. Pair new output device, which is exactly what it sounds like, I'm pretty sure. Mono audio, so we can disable stereo. Device, we got the microphone array, see those settings. We got audio, we got input volume here. This is a test for Speakonia. Okay, so that's something. Enhance audio. And then edit my voice clips. My actual voice clips in Audacity still. Got input devices here. We can troubleshoot sound problems for output and input. All sound devices and the volume mixer. All sound devices. I think this takes us to these properties pages of each one. Yeah, it does. Yeah, wait, what? Audio quality? Did the audio quality change for the better or for the worse? We got the volume mixer. Can change it for apps. Then we got more sound settings, which I predict will open control panel settings. And it does! So this is the exact same. This here is the same as before. And we already checked out all the sounds. So yeah. And that's sound. What's next? We got notifications. Missed it. Okay, so this is notifications. Notifications on. Focus assist. Right here. Focus assist. Here. Well, I guess it took us to a different section. So, I have focus assist on right now because I'm streaming and stuff. So that's notifications and focus assist. So let's go to power and battery. Wait, we already went to power and battery. Well, we didn't see everything. We got view detailed info. What's... Oh, it's just a link that opens this. Got battery saver, got screen... Oh. I guess we do have used it, looked at everything there. So, next... Storage. Storage. That's that. We got storage sent. Over there. This is stuff that I don't use, so... We got advanced storage settings. Other... Yep, we got storage there. Apps and features. Oh, this is where you uninstall your stuff. So, yep. Temporary files. Previous Windows installations. I still got my Windows 10 stuff in case I want to use that. So, we got updates we can do there. Got storage again. Storage sense. Advanced storage settings, storage used on other drives. We got that. Hold up. Okay, never mind. This is just what it is. There. Advanced storage settings, where new content is saved. I have my documents and other stuff which I don't need to access immediately on my hard disk. I don't want to clog up my SSD with stuff that doesn't need to be on it, like that doesn't need to be accessed quickly. Next up, storage spaces. Something I'm not sure what that is, so discs and volumes. No label. So that's disk 0. I think I have more than this. Yeah, I got more partitions than these. Yeah. I got Arch Linux and Ubuntu installed in their own partitions on this SSD, and they're not showing up in Windows, so that's why these numbers do not add up. And then I only got like one partition on S drive. Let's click on one. Explore. Oh, that's what it does. Properties. You can change the drive letter from here if you want. You can even use the now unused A and B, which were previously reserved for floppy disks. You can even go all the way down to Z. This is basically disk management, but modern. You can also format and delete it. I'm not going to delete it because this contains all my channel files. And if I did delete it, that would be very bad because I couldn't make videos. We can change the size though. Well, we're not going to do that. View usage. Oh. Disks and volumes. Backup options. What is this? Oh, it's nothing. Oh, we still got backup and Explorer for Windows 7 and Windows 11. Then we got drive optimization, which is like a control panel stuff. Oh, this is where you defragment your stuff. I'm not going to initiate any defragmentation because that takes too long. Nearby sharing. We're going to see what it looks like before I can... Alright, so this is nearby sharing right here. You can turn it off, do it to my devices only or everyone nearby. And yeah, I'm not gonna mess with that. We got multitasking. Snap Windows is on. We got these slew of options. We got desktops. Show all the open windows, only on the desktop I'm using. So yeah. Alt Tab. You can do Alt Tabs in Microsoft Edge. You can do only open windows only. So you can go back to the classic style of Alt Tab, which is this, by the way. We got the title bar window shake. When I grab a Windows title bar and shake it, minimize all. Oh, this is arrow something. I don't know what it was. It was one of the features that people didn't like in Windows 7. So it's disabled by default. So there's good news for you. We got activation. I'm not going to leak my product key, so I'm going to make sure it's not in here. So this is something interesting. The old Windows 10 logo shows up here. We got the activation state, upgrade your version of Windows. Okay, it does not show my product key in the submenus. We just got this, and then we got this. I don't feel like upgrading to Windows Pro, so no need to do so. We got troubleshoot. Right here. Recommended troubleshooting preferences. Ask me before running. Run automatically, then notify. Then run automatically and don't notify. I'm gonna stay with the defaults. Recommended troubleshooter history. Windows feature update compatibility assessment troubleshooter. Ran successfully on that there. So other troubleshooters, internet connections, and all that stuff. So yeah, you can run troubleshooters from here if you want to. And that is the troubleshoot section. What else is in here? We got recovery, fix problems without resetting this PC, reset. You got the resetting your PC, which basically nukes all your files and stuff and reinstalls Windows, or you can choose to keep or remove your personal files, but it basically nukes your previous installation of Windows with installed programs included, and reinstalls Windows. You can go back to, I can go back to Windows 10 if I wanted to, but I don't want to. Then I can restart and go to the advanced startup stuff, which you would normally be able to do that with, well, back in Windows 7 you could do that with F8, but you can't anymore since Windows 8. So we got fixed problems without resetting your PC. Oh, that just takes me to troubleshoot. And so that's troubleshoot and recovery. Projecting this PC, hold on. Okay, nothing major. So we just got projecting to this PC. We got that. Remote desktop. Remote desktop is very barren. So click on it. We got remote desktop here. Oh, and we got that, I guess. So I'm not going to do that. Clipboard. What do we got? We got nothing that can be. Alright, so clipboard history is disabled. Sync across devices is off. I heard that some kind of history thing was going away. Like, I'm not sure what it was. I'm not going to install Escargot Live Messenger. I don't really see a need for that. It's like a name clone, by the way. So yeah, clear clipboard data, privacy statement, and then there's related links. And then there's about device, which I will also be SOD. Make sure there's nothing personal there. Alright, so okay, so I'm not going to show my device specifications because I'm not sure a product ID is something you should show everybody. So, but I will show you Windows specifications. We got Windows 11 Home, the update, which exists apparently, 21H2. So I'm on Windows 11 21H2. So that's something. I guess they're going to continue the Windows 10 update scheme for Windows 11. Installed today, earlier today. About 2 o'clock, I think. OS build 22,000.51. Feature experience pack. I have no idea what that means. So, then we got BitLocker, Device Manager. Oh, Device Manager. Yeah, you can access it from here. What that does is you can view your devices and stuff, and yeah, install drivers and stuff. So yeah. Intermission real quick there. Oh, here we go. Apps and features. Now this is where you want to install stuff, I'm pretty sure. I guess they got 2 places. Yeah. Share across devices. More settings, app exclusion aliases, archive apps. I'm not going to go into those. Apps, default apps. I can show you my defaults if I wanted to. Oh, it just shows an app list again. Okay. We got offline maps. I'm not sure what that leads to. Yeah, it doesn't look like we got any downloaded maps, so that's good. Got optional features. So we can, I predict this is gonna open the control panel stuff thing. Oh no, it's not going to. Let's see. We got WebDriver. We got XPS Viewer. That's something. Oh. Well, I guess that's a glitch there. Cancel, view features, Internet Explorer 11. Yeah, I guess they removed that stuff. RIP. Optional feature history. Nothing. We got Notepad and all that good stuff. More Windows features. Oh! Here we go. Here's the classic stuff here. Let's see if Windows... I guess they really did remove Internet Explorer here. RIP. Big RIP. Oh, and WordPad's still here, apparently. So that's like an ancient application. Looks very similar to very, very old versions of Word. Apps for websites. What's this? That's something, I guess. Video playback. I feel like we've already been here. We got HDR, advanced display, power and battery. We can do startup apps here. I'm not sure I want to show it immediately. Oh, it's just a list of apps, so they apparently... Yeah. And that's that. Now to the Accounts tab. Let's see. So this is the Accounts tab. I'm not going to go into these tabs because kind of seems like it might be personal and stuff. So I'll let you guys look into that on your own stuff. Remember, this is on native hardware. This is not in a virtual machine, so I got to be careful and stuff. Now, time and language. We got date and time. Gonna do some stuff. Sorry if I keep switching to the intermission. BSOD, date and time, current date and time. We got that. It's not selectable. Select time zone automatically. It is selectable there. Adjust for daylight saving time automatically. Set time zone automatically. Time zone, date and time manually. We can sync the stuff here. So if our clock's off, it won't be off anymore. We can display additional calendars if we wanted to. Language and region. We got additional clocks there. I'll get to this later. Oh, I'll get to it now. Language and region. I'm gonna double check, see what's in there. Okay, so we seem to be okay. A-okay. Windows display language, English for language, is that, and that. We got multiple languages down here because there's different types of speech voices for this stuff. We got country or region, regional format, we got the recommended, it's fine. Oh, and we can change our formats here. Short time. I use 24-hour formats because I like it. I used to use this on my desktop, but I don't anymore. Decided not to. The clock doesn't respond to that for some reason. So that's strange. We got the Gregorian calendar. That's the only calendar selectable. Language and region again. And we're going to go back to time and language. Typing. Last one before speech. Show text suggestions when typing on the physical keyboard. I'm not gonna. Multilingual text suggestions. Autocorrect misspelled words. That might be useful. That might be annoying. Highlight misspelled words. That's useful. Typing insights. I'm gonna double check what that is. So that's interesting. It has it actually tracks your statistics for this stuff, like auto-completed words, suggested, keystrokes, saved, spelling corrections, 20. I has good grammar. It's so good that Windows corrected my grammar 20 times already. Swiped words. Advanced keyboard settings. Language. We got those little checkboxes. Looks like the same style as Windows 7 or Windows 10. The checkboxes. We got typing there, text cursor, all that good stuff. Now for speech. Let's see if they added new voices. We still got David here.
You have selected Microsoft David as the default voice.
We got, this is in the UK.
You have selected Microsoft George as the default voice.
Linda.
You have selected Microsoft Linda as the default voice.
This is from a different country, I'm pretty sure. This is also from Great Britain right here.
You have selected Microsoft Hazel as the default voice.
We got Susan, which is basically the same as Hazel.
You have selected Microsoft Susan as the default voice.
Catherine.
You have selected Microsoft Catherine as the default voice.
We got an Australian voice. We got Zira here.
You have selected Microsoft Zira as the default voice.
We got Microsoft Richard.
You have selected Microsoft Richard as the default voice.
Remember, I got English, United States, from the United States, Great Britain, Canada, and Australia installed on here. So some of these are Canadian voices, some are American, some of them are Australian.
You have selected Microsoft Mark as the default voice.
Mark is still here.
You have selected Microsoft James as the default voice.
You have selected Microsoft David as the default voice.
Yeah. See if we can add voices. Ireland, India, all that stuff. Yeah. Seems to be the same as usual. Time and language. What about gaming? What about gaming? Xbox Game Bar. Open Xbox Game Bar using this button on a controller. Xbox button, in case you wanted to use your 360 controllers or something. Or Xbox One stuff. Then we got all shortcuts. Press the Windows logo key plus G, or go to start, Xbox Game Bar, settings. I'm not going to mess with that. We got captures, save location, recording preferences, screenshots, and game clips. We'll save to my videos folder. We got record what happened. When something cool happens in your game, press the Windows logo plus Alt plus G to capture the moment. Sure, we'll do that. record the last 30 seconds. Let's do 1 minute. Max recording length 2 hours. You can reduce it to as little as 30 minutes. Capture audio when recording a game is on. Mute system when and app audio when recording a game. 128 kilobits per second. We can do that. Even though the file sizes will be big. We got a 2 terabyte hard drive to handle that. Microphone recording volume, system recording volume, video frame rate. I'm gonna do 60 FPS. Video quality, standard or high. I'll just leave it at standard. Capture mouse cursor. And then you got graphics. Game mode, optimized for PC play. It is on. So that's cool. Then we got accessibility. Let's see what do we got here. Oh, we just got some stuff here. So we can change the text size if we want to. See it in action. Please wait. While it certainly increased the text size as expected, let's go back to 100%. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Random stuff while we wait for this. Okay, here we go. There's a gap there. Let's see, go back. To fill in the screen. We got display, a link to display settings. That's text size. We got visual effects. Always soul scroll bars. So that might be useful for later. Transparency effects. Animation effects, so we can, wait, what? Oh yeah, so that stuff isn't... We don't have the new Windows 11 stuff anymore. Or animations. Yeah, that might be a performance thing that you might want to consider, I guess. Animations are going back on. Behold. We got that stuff. Animation effects. Dismiss notifications after this time. We can make it as short as possible, 5 seconds or 5 minutes, if you want the notifications to dwell on the screen. Mouse pointer and touch. We got the standard one. We got this one, which is a classic one. We can also change the cursor settings in the good old classic way. We got inverted cursor, which I think is super cool and useful. See? Oh, you guys can't see it. Or can you? I'm not sure you guys can see the effects of the cursor. Double checking the stream. Oh, I guess you guys can. So, and then we got custom. We can change the colors of our cursor if we want to. So that might be useful. Choose another color. I guess we can customize it to whatever we want. Windows 98 color. And then we're going to go back to the defaults, and we can change the cursor size if we want to. Have it as big as this. Touch indicator is on. Make the circle larger, darker, and larger. I don't have a touch screen, so I can't test that out. Let's, anyways, I'm gonna fix my cursor settings now. Back to whatever I had it on. Actually, we're just gonna stick with this for now. Let's go, yeah. Then we got the text cursor. We can make it bigger if we want. We can make it small. We can change it. I'll stick with this spearmint color. Oh, we got a text cursor. We can enable it and disable it. Looks a lot like Android, to be honest. We got cursor thickness. We can change it, I guess. Okay. Then we got mouse pointer and touch. That's the previous section. Magnifier. We can turn it on if we want to. Oh. Look at that. Okay. We can adjust the zoom level here. We can increment by 100%. We can do view full screen, lens docked, all that good stuff. Follow my mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor, narrator cursor. We got more about magnifier. We got invert colors. Let's see how that works. It doesn't. Oh, can press Control Alt I. Control Alt I. It doesn't work. Okay. So smooth edges of images and text. I guess that's how you disable anti-aliasing on text and stuff. I'm gonna keep it on. We got the reading shortcut there if we want to. Go back. We got color filters. On, we got grayscale. This is wacky. Blue, yellow. Looks pretty cool. Red, green. Interesting. Red, green. Grayscale inverted. Whoa. Oh, here's our inverted. Welcome to Windows 11 in G major. Oh my goodness. Over in the corner. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. You didn't miss this one because this is a continuation of the previous one. Keyboard shortcut for color filters. Windows Control C. Windows Control C. Oh cool, we can press Windows Control C to switch to G major at any time. That's cool. And then we got contrast themes. We looked at this in the previous 11.1, but that one's private and will be deleted, so I'm gonna go ahead and look at what it's like in here. We got aquatic first of all. We are please waiting. again. And we got this. We got the outline for the text bar, not for these items though. You can see these effects easier, so that's cool. Also, these look. Oh no, it's the return of the Metro icons. Oh, very bad, in my opinion. Hold on. We're back. So this time it's not a big interruption. So yeah. Then we got desert. See how that looks. We got this stuff. Oh no, it's sticking to one. Now we got dusk apply. Did you guys hear that? There's that little Garmin sound that I heard that indicates that the system's low on resources. Stream went dead because of wait a second. So did you guys see dusk and or did you guys see desert and aquatic? Someone said that the stream went dead because of Tux. Tux murdered Tux. Oh, the Tux one is this is my intermission screen. I just have it as a thing there. I use it whenever in interruptions or whenever I think there's going to be a leak. And now this is night sky. This reminds me of a tool place. Kind of. Night sky does. Alright, took a while. Alright, now back to normal. Also, something cool is that whenever you restart or shut down, the color turns black on the shutdown screen instead of what your accent color is, so that's interesting. Here we go. Windows XP. Yeah, I got custom sounds of Windows XP. Hold up. Oh no, my stuff is not appearing. Alright. Okay, you gotta make sure that. So yeah, I got Windows XP sounds. Yeah, you can customize the sounds in any version of Windows. Well, at least in any modern version of Windows still. Of all the customization options they take away, they still haven't taken away the sounds. At least most of them. You can't enable or customize the login sounds because those are disabled. Log in, log out, or shut down. Narrator. Narrator on or off. Start it before sign in or after sign in.
Starting narrator, OK, button, Alt plus O, heads up. Narrator keyboard changes. We've updated the narrator keyboard layout so it more closely matches the experience you may have had with other screen readers. If you want narrator to tell you what commands are associated with the keys you're pressing, you can turn on input learning by pressing caps lock +1. To turn it off, press caps lock +1 twice. To learn more, Press Ctrl plus Windows logo key plus N to open your narrator settings and access the online user guide. Set narrator heading level 1. Welcome to narrator. This is narrator home, where you can get help, access your settings, and learn about new features. Exiting narrator.
I'm disappointed that they changed narrator to that. Anyways. Oh, we can do Windows Control Enter.
Settings, narrator dialog. Okay, exiting narrator.
So that's a cool shortcut. Narrator home. Show it when narrator starts. Complete guide to narrator. So that's like probably a help application. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it opened up in my Edge tab. Yeah. There's the narrator stuff. There's this. Help in learning for Windows 11 is coming soon. It is not there yet, so if you don't know how to use Windows 11, you're out of luck until we get around to it. Sorry! Anyways, we can change the voice from here as well. Ooh, hey, look at that! We got Microsoft Sam! Add voices, and oh man, it took us back. Luckily, we got a fancy back button right here. Speed, we can change it to go super fast or super slow. We can keep it at normal. We can change it to Mike's pitch, normal pitch, or put it at Bernard's pitch. We can do volume. Yeah, let's open narrator. Control and
start narrator dialog. Okay.
Yep,
button.
Sam's still
Alt
watching
plus
Windows 11.
Heads up. Narrator keyboard changes. Exiting narrator.
Yep, Sam is still working in Windows 11. Very great. We can change the volume of narrator, I guess. Might want to keep it at a lower volume. See how it... Nah. It's Sam X, yeah.
Settings with narrator dialog.
Yeah, now it's more manageable.
Okay. Button. Exiting narrator.
Yeah, SAPI 4 does not work with modern narrator anymore, as far as I know. SAPI 4 only works with Windows 2000's narrator. So, yeah. Narrator output device defaults. Oh, so you can change it so that it goes through a different audio device. Verbosity level. All control details. All text. All that good stuff. Emphasize formatted texts. Read phonetically when reading by character. Oh, I guess you can make them spaz. Unconditionally, instead of having to put in a vowel there or something. Pause slightly when reading punctuation. Read advanced details. Like help text on buttons or in other controls. Change how capitalized text is read. Let's increase the pitch so we can hear Sam or David get mad whenever we get capitalization. Let's test that out actually. Let's open Notepad. And then turn on narrator control, Windows Control Enter.
Settings with narrator dialog. Settings narrator heading left. Settings window.
Oh,
narrator
hit it
toggle switch done.
Got near.
Untitled notepad win kappa T I G. Peer something I swat space kappas O I space I O period swat cap T, space T, cap space A, cap lock, space D, O, G, question mark, doing, what, space, something, swa.
Oh.
What in the world are you doing?
Oh, it doesn't work.
Notepad dialog, settings window, narrator,
Where's,
toggle switch, done. Notification overflow, exiting narrator.
Okay, so it hides itself in the Windows tray, like Balaboka does. Yes, he can still operate his Rafflecopter. They have not changed Sam at all. Immediate context. No context. Windows 11, no context. Read hints on how to interact with buttons and other controls. Tell me why actions can't be performed. Play sounds instead of announcements for common actions. Huh. Interesting. Before or after controls. Have narrator announce when I type letters, numbers, and punctuations, words, function keys, arrow, tab, and other navigation keys. Toggle keys like tap, caps lock, and numlock. That'll be useful if you don't have a indicator, physical indicator on your keyboard. Shift, Alt, and other modifier keys. Narrator key, caps lock, or insert, caps lock. Lock the narrator's key so I don't have to press it for each command. On touch keyboards, activate keys when I lift my finger. Read and interact with the screen using the mouse. Keyboard layout, standard and stuff. Standard legacy. Oh, that's interesting. We got legacy here. More about narrator keyboard layouts. Create a custom keyboard layout. I ain't gonna mess with that. Show the narrator cursor. We've seen that in action. Move my text cursor with the narrator cursor. No, that sounds very annoying. Sync the narrator cursor and system focus. I mean, this might be useful for people who need it. But for me, it's probably going to be inconvenient. Navigation mode, normal, advanced. What's that? It's not immediately apparent. So, decrease verbosity in Outlook. Use a braille display with narrator. Oh, we'll need to use software. Down and load and install braille. Interesting. So we can install something that's under GNU licenses straight from settings. So that's cool. What CPU do I got? I got an i5 10300H. I'll post it in chat. So yeah, mine is a 10th gen CPU, which is well within the requirements. Minimum requirement of 8. Probably soon to be 7. I mean, yeah, it's too bad that the requirements are very high. It doesn't affect me, though, except for the fact that a lot of my legacy computers can't run it. Oh, what was that? That was a command prompt window, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, navigation mode. Sync my narrator settings on this device, so if you got multiple Windows devices, you can do that. Get image descriptions, page titles, and popular links. Press narrator plus control plus D for an image description or page title. Press narrator plus S twice quickly for a list of popular links. Automatically send diagnostic and performance data. I might not. Privacy statement. Of course. That's narrator. We got audio. Mono audio is off. Flash my screen during audio notifications. Never. No thank you. Might be useful for others though. We got captions. White on black. Small caps. Large text. Yellow on blue. That does not look very good. Alright. Interaction. Windows speech recognition and voice typing. Press the Windows logo key plus H or select the mic button on the touch keyboard to dictate text anytime you're in a text box. Windows speech recognition. Control your device and dictates text with your voice. I'm gonna leave that alone. There's that. We got the keyboard. We can turn on sticky keys, everyone's favorite. Yep, that still exists. So I'm going to disable it. We got filter keys. Press and hold the right shift key for 8 seconds to turn on filter keys. That's going to be non-intrusive, so I'm not going to do it. Toggle keys. Play a sound when you press caps, num, or scroll lock. Well, if you want to disable sticky keys, go in Windows 11, go to Accessibility, go to Keyboard, and then do the menu for sticky keys and disable the keyboard shortcut. Sam Joe Tech Tips. Sam Joe's Top Tech Tips. So, notification preferences. Do that, do that. On-screen keyboard, so that might be useful. So, oh, they still have the old Windows logo here. We actually make use of the on-screen keyboard semi-regularly on one computer that we don't regularly use anymore. That's because the Z button is unresponsive and neither are the arrow keys. A number of keys are unresponsive on that laptop, so we have to use this to accommodate. And so yeah, and I had to write essays on that computer, so... yeah. Well, you could disable sticky keys in other versions of Windows as well. It's still, the ability to do so is still in Windows 11. We got underline access keys. Access keys will be underlined even when not holding Alt. I think I'll enable that because I like using that. I like using regular keys to select options instantly. Use the print screen button to open screen snipping. I'm not going to do that. I'd rather press print screen, open paint.net, and then paste it in there. What else do we got? That was keyboard. Now let's do mouse. We got mouse keys. Use your numeric keypad to move your mouse pointer. C4. Oh yeah, see? You can use your numpad to do this. In case you don't have a mouse and stuff. And you can press space, if I'm not mistaken, to you do click, or you can just press 5. Yeah, and you can press space or 5, either one. Show the mouse keys icon in the on the taskbar. Where is it? In here? Oh, it's right here. I'll move it right there. Only use mouse key when numlock is on. Only use mouse keys when numlock is on. Hold the control key to speed up and the shift key to slow down. So control. Mouse keys acceleration. We can change the speed. So we can do that. Acceleration. So yeah, let's do that. Eye control, eye tracker, and text to speech. This is off, apparently, and you can enable it, apparently. At least I can't. We got the privacy statement again. Only the US keyboard layout is supported. Okay. So that's accessibility. Let's go to privacy and security. So we got this stuff, we got Windows security, antivirus, browser, firewall, and network protection for your device. There's that, in case you want to find where your lost laptop is or something. We got device encryption, we got for developers. These settings are intended for development use only. Wonder what that is. Developer mode, install apps from any source, including loose files. Yeah. Yeah. No, I do not have a Nintendo Switch, so... Alright. So I guess this is how you disable S mode. I guess by default you can only install stuff from the Microsoft Store or something. Oh no, let's disable it and see what happens. Windows security. We can do that stuff if we want. I'm not gonna do that. Advertising ID, I'm not doing that. We got speech recognitions and stuff. Inking and typing, personalization, diagnostics, and speedbacks. Activity history, search permissions, searching windows, location, camera, microphone, voice activation, notifications, blah 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 blah. You can use this to prevent Windows from spying on you, I guess. Now for everyone's favorite Windows update. Look how much they changed there. It's a pretty nice visual refresh. You can still check for updates. You can opt into the Windows Insider program from here. I'm in it. Checking for updates still. It is up to date. I mean, there wasn't none. I checked for updates before doing stream. The first attempt of a stream 11.0. And it did find one, and I had to restart. So it delayed that stream. Then there's update history. There's advanced options. Got update history, so... yeah. Windows 10 Insider Preview installed on the 25th. Then Windows 11 Insider Preview installed on the 28th. We can uninstall updates from here if we want to. And do recovery options. See what we can do if we do that. Oh, it just brings up this good old control panel. Still a part of Windows 11. Nice. Update history. We got advanced options. Get me up to date. Restart as soon as possible, even during active hours, to finish updating, and notify me 15 minutes before restarting so I can make sure this device is on and plugged in. Receive updates for other Microsoft products. Sure, why not? I will not do that. And notify me when a restart is required to finish updating. Sure, why not? Then you got active hours. They're very hideous for me. And there's additional options. Optional updates, 0 available. Delivery optimization, recovery, restart apps, and configured update policies. I'm gonna leave that alone. And I guess that's it. Other than the Windows Insider program, let me double check what's in here. So yeah, this is the Windows Insider program screen in Windows 11, and there is going to be Windows Insider builds here. We can view the build notes, we can give feedback, which will probably open the feedback hub. Choose your Insider settings. There's 3 options to choose from: Dev channel, Beta channel, and Release Preview channel. And I can only select Dev channel right now, I guess. So yeah. Oops, they forgot to remove Windows 10 from here. Still got a reference to Windows 10 here. And you can stop getting Insider Preview builds if you want. Alright, so if you want to stop going and being inside the Windows Insider program, you can click this. To stop getting Windows Insider Preview builds on this device, you'll need to clean install the latest release of Windows 10, because Windows 11 is not yet released yet. Note, this option will erase all your data and install a fresh copy of Windows 10. So yeah, I'm not going to do that. I don't want all my data being gone. So I guess that's it for settings. That took quite a while to explore settings. Alright. Yeah. There is going to be a next version of Windows 10 though. What is next on our agenda? We could explore other stuff if we wanted to, but most of the apps are still the same as in Windows 10. Actually, I'm going to do WinArrow Tweaker. See if we can restore seconds in the taskbar. Anyway, let's sit down. Oh man, I can't see that screen. Give me a minute. I had to change setup, so my current setup has me standing. So yeah, not very comfortable over time. Now let's see Arrow Light. Oh man, that screen brightness is not very great. Give me a minute, sorry. I will be adjusting settings real quick, so... Or, my setup, rather. Okay, I think we're back. Main stuff here. I'm gonna change my display settings, and oh my goodness, I got mail notifications. Easy. Let's enable Arrow Light just for the fun of it. It still works, I'm pretty sure. Oh, my color changed to blue. Yeah, looks like it still works. The taskbar looks hideous, though. And it does not blend well with the start button. Oh, and it changes to light theme. Let's see, Windows, P. Okay. So that's a thing. Let's see what the Action Center looks like. I guess I can't click on it yet. Oh, here we go. Anyways, let's go back. We got arrow light here. The animations still work, and we still got rounded corners. So it almost looks like Windows XP right now. So that's pretty cool. But we're going to go back to the default. And we're back to light theme, and oh, it set the default. Oh well, at least we get to see the cake icing background again. And hey look, we got glitched stuff. Woohoo! Oh wait. There we go. Oh, this is still gonna stay glitched. So Control C, copy, close it. That's my solution whenever something like that happens. I hate how they nerfed search, a file explorer search in version 1909. You can't type in there immediately and it doesn't bring up any results with dashes in it. Alt-tab appearance. Color title orders. We've got the startup sound. Yay. Yeah, that last... So that's the new startup sound of Windows 11. That last note gives me vibes of Windows 7 and Windows XP. Theme behavior. We got that. Got icons. We can change those if we want. I'm not sure changing the system font works anymore. See if we can show seconds on taskbar clock. Do myself later. And I guess we Control Shift Escape and we restart Explorer, which is gonna unfortunately take away our Windows. Open Windows. And no, it does not look like it is possible to restore seconds in the taskbar clock. That's disappointing. So that's an exclusive feature that Windows 10's gonna... That's an exclusive feature Windows 10's gonna have. Seconds. Oh, the Windows version on desktop went away. Wallpaper quality, we're gonna make it 100, and it is 100. We've got all this good stuff here. Oh, what? Oh, the, what? We got a different thing here. We got a different right-click menu for Windows 10. Oh, man. Show more options. Oh, here we go. There's the classic one. Apparently you have to do Shift F10 in order to do that. In order to get to classic context menu. So that's something, I guess. Unfortunately, our gadgets are gone. I have to reinstall them, so how I'm gonna do that is programs made for previous versions of Windows, apps and features. Anywhere. Gadgets. I'm gonna have to uninstall this and oh no, I forgot. I have to restart my computer in order for this to finish uninstalling. Oh man. So no desktop gadgets for this stream. I'll post a screenshot of the Windows gadgets though and prove to you that they'll prove to you whether or not they still work in Windows 11. I'm pretty sure they still work in Windows 11, but who knows. So reopen File Explorer. Gonna trigger the anti-spoiler screen. Oh, my recent files went away. Oops. Force clips. They even redid the context menus here, too. So this is my MSSEAS folder here. They even... Wait a second. They just... This is the new File Explorer. Whoa! And oh my goodness, I can't even see anything there. Alright, I need to change my theme back to dark mode. Personalization. Themes. Oh, one was up there. It was up there. Yeah, I want that back. By the way, whenever you see the Tux BSOD, that does not necessarily mean that the stream is over. It means that there's like some kind of intermission, or I'm trying to make sure that I don't leak spoilers or something. And oh man, the settings app is done again. Close. And yeah, let's reopen MSSEAS. See what we got here. Wow. I guess they updated File Explorer over the internet just now. I used to have classic File Explorer and now I don't. I got pinned to quick access, select all, select none. First selection, properties, options. So I'm going to show you how large my MSSEAS folder is. It's going to take a while to populate. So yeah, new Windows Explorer. We didn't have it before and now we got it. Wow. And along with that we got a new context menu. Got extra large icons, medium, small, list, details, tiles, and content. There's tiles, sort by, all this stuff, more. Actually, yeah. Let's see what we can do here. Or let's do date by, date created. See if it still appears. And sure enough, it is. It does. Now we can group by them too. We can group by date. A long time ago. Very descriptive. Now we can add new items too, like folders, shortcuts, access databases, bitmap images, Word documents, and all that good stuff. New text documents too here. See? and zipped folders. And properties, it shows you the keyboard shortcut there, Alt-Enter. And we still got properties, and hey, look, it's finished. Got 27.5 gigabytes of data in there across 185,976 files and 1,967 folders. My voice is a bit shot right now. Open in Windows terminal, so that's interesting. Show more options. And that's the classic context menu there, apparently. So, yeah. See how it looks in my characters folder, and oh my goodness, it wrecked my stuff. It wrecked my stuff! Okay, I'm gonna have to optimize this folder again. Oh, the properties isn't on the bottom anymore. That's gonna throw me off. And I'm gonna optimize this for videos. Cause what that does, it defaults to, oh, what? Okay, I guess I have to do it from here then. Customize general items, let's apply that. Then videos, apply it. Okay, it doesn't work. So, large icons. So this is my sprites folder. As you can see, I got 14,515 items in it. But in actuality, I only really have... Wait, does Control A not work anymore? Oh my goodness. So this is what 7 years gets you. So, I've only done, in the characters folders, these are just, this folder, this immediate folder only contains Mitomo sprites. But in old, I think I have, in old over here, I got my Wii U sprites and 3DS sprites. Oh man, the new File Explorer is something, I guess. Oh my goodness. Close all windows. And I just restarted File Explorer. Yay! There's Windows. There's all the other icons. Now for real, I'm gonna reopen the folders I had before. Real quick. Give me a minute. Voice clips. Open a new window. Then, funny signs. Season 3, episode 3. And we got this. 3. Episode 3. Oh, why is this so bad? Alright, so we got... Alright, oh man, where's my stuff? There we go. So a cool thing about Windows 11 is that it's got arrow snap stuff here. I can put whatever I want in here, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put that there. So yeah, that's cool. Also, I appreciate that they put the acrylic, or the new transparency effect over here. I really appreciate that. I wish that it would linger on whenever the window's not active anymore. So yeah. Oh, we got compact view. This is the default view now. Its spacing increases are, in my opinion, atrocious. So I'm going to do compact view. I like compact view way better. Show navigation pane, details, preview, item checkboxes, file name extensions, and hidden items. We can sort by all this stuff. New folder, new item, all that stuff. Options, folder options. We got folder options over here. Not sure this is I'm not sure this has changed much right here. So exit out of that. So yeah, pretty cool new features here. Time to go edit stuff, and I'm gonna hold on. Intermission, see if Vegas Pro will open up, and if it will open up the right project, because I don't want to spoil anything. Yeah, it still seems to open up fine. Get out of here. Okay, it is opening S3E3 right now. And yes, now we're in the part where we edit some stuff. Yay. So, Microsoft Sam Super Errors and Signs Season 3 Episode 3. Except it's not actually going to feature Sam. At least not for the errors and signs. You know what it is going to feature instead? Well, I'll show you. As soon as the project finishes loading, that is. Okay, there we go. Behold. This is what's going. This is who's going to read errors and signs. Microsoft Mike and Microsoft Mary. Right here. Right here. I got all the I got the text boxes edited in this time. Here. Yep. Also, you can see the new watermark there. Or the watermark there. I'm still going to go with the 9x raindrop design for Season 3 and Season 4. And I got the reaction window for error 1 and error 2. I'm not going to do a playback of the edited part yet. This very...
Windows has detected that you are in the middle of your current task. Windows will now conveniently interrupt your task and give you 1 decillion mandatory tasks. Oh come on, Windows. I can't get anything done if you keep interrupting me with task after task after task after task. And let... task after task. And let me guess, whenever I'm in the middle of completing these tasks, you will interrupt me again with another decillion mandatory tasks.
You are 100% correct. Someone... Correct. Someone give this woman a prize.
Ugh.
Let's see which one.
Ugh, guess I shouldn't have expected anything better from these errors. Why are we even using Microsoft Sam's computer to set up the spy device anyway?
Right. Got Mike here. Oh. Wrong one. It's still... Wait, what? Why is this not selecting? A glitch, I guess? Yeah.
Windows identity theft has stolen your school homework. We can't wait for you to become banned from reading errors again. Banned from reading errors again.
I clicked by mistake and accidentally messed up.
Oh. So it was you who stole my college laptop. Windows identity theft? You bet.
Oh. Okay.
So it was you who stole my college laptop. Windows identity theft?
You betcha. And you can't get it back from me because I sent it to some stranger on the internet. Have fun getting banned from reading errors, Mr. Lady Voice. You betcha. Reading errors, Mr. Lady Voice.
Hey, I'm... Hey, I'm the lady voice here, not Mike.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
I'm the lady voice here, not Mike.
Yeah. Also, thanks for telling me about... Also, thanks for telling me about that redirection. Hope you don't mind me hacking into your database to see who exactly you sent it to.
No.
It to.
Nope.
The application you...
Oops. Why aren't you... So that's a thing. It won't select the things that I'm trying to select. It's like stuck to an item or something.
For telling me about that redirection. Hope you don't mind me hacking into your database to see who exactly you sent it to.
Nope.
The application you were using hasn't installed itself from your computer. Well,
equal still works to mute.
Also, thanks for telling me about that redirection. Hope you don't mind me hacking into your database to see who exactly you sent it to. In this error and sign session.
Bummer. Today's fortune, you will. Today's fortune, you will still be forced to read these fortunes, even if you stop using your computer.
What? 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 Oh great. That can only mean that it infected our personal systems too.
Well. Well, how bad could these fortunes be?
Very. Also, I thought you knew better than...
Actually, I'm going to continue this.
Well.
Very.
Okay. So.
Also, I thought you knew better than to say the forbidden phrase of how bad could blank me.
I thought.
The forbidden... Also, I thought you knew better than...
I thought you were making yourself a chicken sandwich.
Here, I am. I'm just waiting on my bread to finish toasting.
Oh really? Then would you like to take back over?
And I'm off. Enjoy yourselves.
I guess not.
Anyway.
Here, I am. Here, I am. I'm just waiting on my bread to finish toasting.
Oh really? Then would you like to take back over? Would you like to take that?
And I'm off. See ya. See ya. See.
Back over.
And I'm off. See ya.
And I'm off. Enjoy yourselves.
LR. And he's off. Indeed he is. He doesn't want to read errors and signs for this episode because it was Mike's idea to set up a spy device which requires error and signs. No, that's too large.
I guess not.
I thought you knew better.
When should Mary start reacting?
What? Oh great. That can only mean that it infected our personal systems too.
Well, how bad could these fortunes be?
Very. Also, I thought you knew better than to say the forbidden phrase. Also, I thought you knew better than to say the forbidden phrase of how bad could. Also, I thought you knew better than.
I thought you were making yourself a chicken sandwich.
Yep, I am. I'm just waiting on my bread to finish toasting.
Oh, really?
Oh really? Oh really? Oh really?
Oh, really? Then would you like to take back over?
And I'm off. Enjoy yourselves.
Oh no, I don't got it. I don't got the lol okay expression. I got that, but I don't got the lol okay expression. Time to reaction windows. MSSEAS. Large icons. Let's see, we got UA. Edit. The new context menus are not very useful. Okay. Oh man. We got alright. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna replace that. I'm gonna replace that with ESI3 instead.
Enjoy yourselves.
Yeah, I guess not.
Anyways,
There we go.
today's microtransaction is school related.
This is actually an unused error. I just had it in my unused folder for a while, and so I didn't. Now we're using it in S3E3 of their remake.
Pay $2,016 to increase your maximum grade to D.
It was originally going to appear in Season 4, but decided not to do it.
Pay $900,000 to increase your maximum grade to A+. Your payment is good for one test. Your current maximum school grade, F-. Yikes, that's quite a hefty sum. Luckily for me, I have obtained many scholarships specifically for these caps. Unfortunately, these scholarships specifically for these caps. Caps. Unfortunately, since I strictly prioritized increasing the maximum grade, I am left with only 1,000 milliseconds in exam time. Oh well.
Wait a minute, this is better.
Oh well, that should be sufficient for me, since I currently have an Intel Core i7-6800K processor installed. But I hope I can... processor installed, but... left with only 1,000 milliseconds in exam time. Oh well, that should be sufficient for me, since I currently have an Intel Core i7-6800K processor installed. But I hope I can recover my college laptop soon so I can finally begin my cramming session.
Windows will now placatiously alter your voice.
Wait, what?
Oh.
Wait, what?
Voice.
Wait, what?
Oh cool.
Oh, no.
A new word
No,
on
no.
the Please alter your voice.
Wait, what?
Oh cool.
Oh no.
Oh cool.
Oh, no.
A new
Wait, oops.
voice.
Wait, what?
Oh cool.
Oh no.
A new voice.
Wait, what?
Oh cool.
Oh no.
A new word
no,
of
no,
the
no,
day.
no, 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 no.
Let me look up what it means.
Actionize
No, 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 no. Let me look up what it.
Oh man. So you got clones of Mike because I didn't switch folders. Exquisitious. I actually got that word from a Vsauce video. And that's where the just reaction window placing stops.
Windows will now placatiously alter your voice.
Wait, what?
Oh cool.
Oh, no.
A new word of the day.
No.
Let me look up what it means.
Actionize suspect you are going. No.
Let me look up what it means.
Actionize it.
Alright, now we're gonna intermission BSOD because spoilers are wait. Never mind, there is no spoilers. I guess they totally changed the stuff. The things here. Yeah. Rip. Okay. Waiting. Go away. Let me just take those ads that they send to you. No, don't. I'm going to spoiler censor again. There's not really any spoilers there, so just project files. I'm actually going to go to an old MSSEAS project to copy paste the helium effect. And we have to look at, find some stuff, I guess. I'm not going to do that though. Oh yeah, I really don't like how S3E3 turned out in the original series. Looking back, I don't. Just kind of cringeworthy to me some at places. Oh, what? Or yes. What did I use? Oh man. Oh. Oh, laser. I guess it's this one. Select time. Oh. Okay, this is the helium thing here. Replace colon MSSEAS. You can still navigate using this though, so that's great. Got lasers, deadly lasers. Alright. This is the helium. We're gonna first copy over the sound effect. Now to lower the volume a little bit.
You are going to...
Gonna make a supreme overlay so that it goes over my watermark. Right. Keyframe, hold, save. That. So it's just one event, just that. That's cool. Alright, paste. Bit too oh, S3E3 is a bit too boring. For a minute there, I thought you were saying that the stream was a bit too boring. Oh no, it might be. Start kind of slowing down. I'm just showcasing my editing style for now in Windows 11 on bare hardware, or just regular hardware instead of virtualization. Doesn't seem too bad, I guess. I don't really like the new context menus in File Explorer that they literally just added. Wait, what? Oh, they got new groups here. That's strange. I got mixed feelings about the new look of File Explorer, but I really do not like this new context menu. I mean, it's a modern look, I guess. It's just a lot less useful than the older one, and way more spaced out. Sound effects. Oh yeah, that's another thing about this start menu. I can't pin folders here anymore. Yeah, I don't think you can pin folders in here anymore. Let me double check. Let me double check. You can still pin folders to quick access, but you cannot pin folders to the start menu. Let me double check. See. Wait, you can? Hold on just 1 second. Oh wow, you can. Nice. Yay, you can. You can pin stuff to the start menu. Wonder if you can group them in folders and still. I guess not. Oh, come on, man. Alright. So that's useful to know. So, yeah, pin to start. Pin them all to start. See if I can do that. I'll copy his path. Pin to start. Pin thumbnails. Scripts. Wow, we almost completely filled this up. So you can put at most 18 apps on one screen. Yeah, this is giving me Ubuntu vibes. So I'm gonna unpin this, and instead I'm gonna pin MSSEAS and Video Vault. So yeah, I thought you could only pin apps, but apparently you can pin folders. Yay! You can still pin folders. So, what now? What was I doing? Oh yeah, sound effects. That's what I was doing. Oh man, I'm not sure I like this little group thing. Oh, I just closed out of the group. Oh well. We'll get back to it when we need to edit voice clips. If we are going to edit voice clips on the stream, because it's 8 o'clock and I might start wrapping it up. Maybe whenever we get the errors done. Oh yeah. I gotta optimize this again. Gotta re-optimize everything again. You can press shift to temporarily disregard the locks or snaps in Vegas Pro for as long as you hold shift.
Well,
Bummer. Window win act.
Gah.
Alright. Oh yeah, audio event effects. That was what I was gonna do. Vibrato. The funny sound effect. Hold up. Oh, the stream died, or did it? Oh, here we go. We're back. Woohoo! So, my internet went out for a while, and I didn't realize it for a while. Sorry. We're back. May as well let everyone on Discord know real quick. Oh, wait. Oh, I didn't post my message. So, stream is back. Internet messed up for a while. And I didn't notice. So sorry about that, guys. We're back. And right. What was the cutoff point whenever the stream died for the one viewer that's still watching?
You're done.
Oh, I guess the video's over, then. Cue the outro.
Hey, don't break the fourth wall.
Oh. It crashed.
Faulty hard drives. I thought I ensured we had system stability.
Breaking news. This error message serves no purpose. Whoa, that's pretty newsworthy. I would have never known another stupid error was indeed stupid. Also, Mike talked like a lady.
What was that, Mary?
BSODs. Explode. Usplode. Switch to icon view. Exploding. Alright. This is the one I'd like to use. Goes in sound effects. Oh man. Still can't believe my internet went out midstream. Or rather, my computer's connection broke or something. I'm trying to balance the explosion sound in his voice so that the explosion is audible, but his voice is comprehensible.
What was that, Mary?
Alright.
Well,
I'm breaking. What? No, Mary, what? No, I was just reading the error out loud. You don't really talk like a lady. Like a lady. No. Mary, how dare you? First you break the fourth wall, and now you play my top. Mary, how dare you? First you break the fourth wall, and now you play my top level as well as existent.
Here we go. Stream is back indeed. Hold it. Intermission BSOD. No more intermission BSOD. Okay. Hold it. Okay, so hold on. I'm gonna titler, we got a test pattern. Actually, do that. Invert color, change some stuff around, I guess. Bunch of stuff. So yeah. Text. It's not text to speech or speech to text. It's just plain old text. Where's the characters? Oh, man. Characters. We got Mary. Man. Hey, you get to see me make some Mitomo sprites on stream. Mike. So these are the unedited Mitomo sprites. I don't have a position 3 or 7 edited for Mike yet. Huh. I guess not. Alright. What we're doing here is getting Mike's stomping pose turned to a different side. Aha, we found it. And we may as well get those sprites as well. Hey look, the arrow look is still here whenever we're dragging multiple items. Waiting for a PDN to start up. Paint.net. Open each image. Characters. It's going unexpectedly slower. STP4. We're not really going to use these sprites. I'm just doing this just so that I'll have it for in the future, because it's only one sprite of each. The back sprites where their face isn't shown is almost always one sprite. Unless like the character has glasses and I need to make a glassesless version. But here I don't want to. I just want to get these knocked out. Also, I should sort these. Hold up. More date created. Yeah, right here. Sort by date created. That way I can easily click on the item and come back. Cover. Alrighty. Oh. Oh, hold up. Keyboard shortcuts are your friend when doing these. $109 playbacks so far. slow this is, sluggish this is going. I don't know what it is that's making it go slow. Are my resources okay? Oh, I'm at like 100% CPU. Oh, I'm doing fine. OBS Studio is just using a big part of the GPU because it's recording and stuff. It's streaming. Alright, save all. I'm not only still on, but I'm back after my internet messed up for a little bit. Oh, I'm muted. Oh. Anyways. Alright. Hold up. Gotta readjust my screen again. Next up. Now we're going to use this here. This is fine. This is the defaults. I would normally not have the wink emotion. The only reason why I got it is because it gives me access to this mouth here, so I don't have to make different versions of Mike to get his default mouth and his neutral mouth. Alright. Yes, I 5. Glad. I don't think I need that anymore. This is tired 4, I think. Characters. Tired 4. Yeah. M9. He's going M9. How dare you? Alright, next of all... Here we go. Yeah, this is M9. Oh man, please go to... Pretty sure that's what it is. Yeah. And here we got that. This is EM11, I'm pretty sure. This is sad 4. I don't think I have this, but I'm gonna name it anyway. Psi 6. Tired 6. EM8. Oh man, it's 9 o'clock in my time zone. Wait, this is actually ESC4. This is ESC. Alright, here we go. Move this to the beginning. No need to mess with that. Neutral expression again. Yeah, we'll go on. Yeah, I should have done this first. Oh man, I'm putting these eyes on the main layer. There, problemo solved. Alright. I'm not supposed to go on the main layer until I'm ready to flatten the image. Alright. That'll be sufficient. There we go. You know why I'm making the surprised ones? It's because I always do it, but it's not the main reason why. The main reason why is because in order to get the MAD forms, which I am working towards, the ultimate goal of this sprite creating thing is to make the MAD stuff, MAD expressions out of the surprised ones. Into wait a minute. Oh man. So yeah, this is my standard channel work on Windows 11, the first preview build of it. So we got that. Alright. Now for the big reason I am here in the first place. Actually, I'm going to save a paint.net version of this. So that I can edit this if I ever need to do so. Right, we're going to temporarily disable that. Oh, go back, save as, EM2, flatten, and this is the sprite I need for my project, or for my video right now. Alright. Yep, this is a chase scene. Indeed, it is a chase scene. All because Mary read an error that said Mike talks like an error. Like a lady. Mike talks like an error. I wonder. That's actually a great error ID. Well, I think this is going to be the end of the stream for now. I'll edit this again off camera. So, yeah. Windows 11, the first insider build of which is here. Finally. Thank you all for watching. This is SamJoe404, and this is the end of the stream. See you in the next one.